Don't you hate it when your dad snores so loud you can hear it from downstairs, from the kitchen? It's so loud, isn't it? Jeez. Tell me if you guys can hear it. Can you hear him snore from upstairs when the door closed and I'm in the living room? It snores loud, Jesus. It. I had the littlest video. He's playing some troll right now. Pause because I heard my dad snore so loud. But yeah, that's my video. Jesus.